China, unfortunately, has been banning crypto over and over again, and now it's not the only country. Russia is coming in strong into the crypto market, and you need to understand how to properly invest in crypto. What do I mean? Well, crypto trading shouldn't be your full-time job. That's because the market is highly volatile and could easily get you broke in minutes. That's why you need to understand how to correctly invest in crypto. But before we get started with that, let's roll that intro. What's up, guys? Welcome to Money Side, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get updates when we drop new videos. To my Money Side fam, welcome back. Glad to see you. Smash that like button and leave a comment in the section below if you find this video informative. Russian central banks look to ban crypto investments. This article was published just a few days ago, and in more ways than one will affect the crypto market. That's because they believe it could jeopardize the financial market. Russia is not the only country that seems to have placed a red flag on the crypto market. Other countries still don't trust the crypto market because of the rising number of altcoins. This ban will prevent any future transaction, hence forcing crypto traders to divest their investment. Essentially, the ban helps to reduce cases of money laundering and other financial terrorism from happening using cryptocurrencies. We all know that cryptos have a bad rep because of them being untraceable. Here's the thing. Who said banning the use of cryptocurrencies would actually help improve the situation? The fact that it's untraceable means that people can still use it under the radar. I'm not trying to encourage any malicious behaviors, but I do believe that the Russian central bank is using the wrong method to deal with the cryptocurrency world. The current solution that the central bank seems to have is complete rejection of all cryptocurrencies. The same central bank gave cryptos a legal status back in 2020. But they reduced the chances of cryptos being used as payment methods. Anyway, the crypto world has been surviving thus far since then. This ban comes out of the China ban of crypto mining that happened earlier this year. And in September, the country concluded that all crypto transactions are illegal and then ended up banning them entirely. Russia now goes with the ban and probably should lead to a lot of losses to crypto traders. However, we need to understand the bigger picture. This news is not entirely true. Banks are about to completely adopt cryptocurrencies. Yes, that's right. The national credit unions are currently gathering information and could essentially use the crypto world to help them deal with the current credit problems. Credit unions are working to start offering their services in the crypto world. That means credit companies can offer cryptos as a form of credit. That means we are not seeing the bigger picture. To be more specific, the Russia and Chinese governments are probably lying to the public and are stocking up on cryptos as much as they can. We have just witnessed the use of ISO 2022 as a messaging system, and that's where things get to be very interesting. The crypto world has altcoins that are connected to the ISO 2022. The Federal Reserve is said to be in connection with the ISO 2022, and most banks will adopt this messaging system. Are you following? And do you see the connection here? The Federal Reserve Bank adopting this new system will allow faster and richer connections that can be used to improve transactions. The registered numbers list are mostly around Ripple. Even though Ripple has an issue with the SEC, this company is still creating solid connections within the crypto world and the fiat world. The Federal Reserve will be using this connection to improve the financial market. The credit unions have the green light to let you buy and sell cryptocurrencies. We need to understand that the market is extremely thin and the whales can actually move the market through news. And that is what is happening right now. The whales are using news to try and continue the bearish market that has been happening in the recent past. And that will ensure that they can actually capitalize the crypto and financial worlds. So what do you do as an investor? Well, as an investor, you always have to stay ahead of the news, no matter how real it might sound. In this case, as you've seen, Ripple plays an important role in the crypto market, especially in the future of the crypto market. That's because when we finally get to connect the crypto and fiat worlds, XRP will be used as the bridge currency between the two. Aside from XRP being one of the few cryptos that are essentially adapted with the ISO 2022, it's also an impressive crypto that connects the crypto to the fiat world. And that is enough to usher in the new age of cryptocurrencies. When that happens, as an investor, you need to stay ahead of the news. Don't get easily thrown off by what headlines you might see. Some of these headlines are used to actually manipulate the crypto market. So what is the safest way to ensure that your assets are safe? Well, for starters, you need to take your time and understand what is happening. For now, Ripple is going through a legal battle with the SEC, which just so happens it might also be a ruse to hide the true intention of the government toward XRP. And if that's the case, you need to hold on to your buns, because this coin is about to go straight to the moon and might actually be the only crypto that might get a pass when the crypto regulations hit. So, to give you a better perspective of XRP and Bitcoin, let's take a look at the technical analysis. Starting with XRP, I've taken the 2017 chart compared to 2021 present time. Both patterns are eerily similar. It looks like we have a 1-month extension with the present time comparing 2017 with 2021. If this is the case, we may have a big move in January 2022. Now is the time to accumulate. In 2017, we broke out from Triangle on December 12th, 2017, and went from 20 cents to $3.53 in 23 days. Stochastic RSI just crossed on the weekly. The RSI still within the 1 trend lines, highly oversold on the weekly time frame. If you want to live like the 5% of the population, you are hugely successful, then don't act like the 95%. Turning now to Bitcoin, the last Bitcoin analysis, we calculated how far we pulled back from highs, and we came to the conclusion that the bottom was in next pullback won't be greater than 39%. In this analysis, I will predict how high we can possibly run using the same method. The first rally after the double bottom did 38.50 to 12,473 for a 224% gain. The second rally went from 9,825 to 42,000 for a 327.5% gain. The third rally went from 27,734 to 64,895. That's a 133.99% gain. The fourth rally went from 28,600 to 52,956. That is a 85.16% gain. In the fifth rally, it went from 39,573 to 69,000. That is a 74% gain. Just like in the analysis we did for the pullbacks, every recent rally has been smaller than the one before, showing us there is clearly more stability in this market now, and it will continue to improve over time. So where does Bitcoin go now? I expect a 69 to 70% rally from our most recent lows, 42,000, which would put Bitcoin at 71,000. I'll be looking to secure most my gains there and getting back in on the next 30% dip. Rinse and repeat. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Tell us what you think in the comments section below and let's have a conversation. As always, thank you very much for watching. Couldn't be here without you. Don't forget to like this video. And please click on that subscribe button below, and then be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss out whenever we drop new content. Thanks again, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next Money Side.